In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Slides Toolbox add-on to efficiently highlight text across all your slides in a Google Slides presentation. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation or simply looking to give your slides a colorful boost, this tool will make the process seamless. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to install the Slides Toolbox add-on. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation where you'd like to make changes. Once open, direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the menu bar. Click on the Extensions menu. As you hover over this, a new menu will appear. Here, you'll see the option labeled Add-ons. Move your cursor over to Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially a treasure trove of tools ready to enhance your productivity. Now, in the Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar right at the top. Type in Slides Toolbox and hit Enter. The search results will populate, and you should see the Slides Toolbox add-on appear. Click on it and proceed by clicking the Install button. Follow any on-screen prompts that ask for necessary permissions to ensure the tool integrates smoothly with your Google Slides. With your toolbox now installed, let's get it up and running. Head back to your Google Slides presentation. Once again, visit the Extensions menu at the top. You'll now find Slides Toolbox in the list. Hover over it and click Open. A sidebar labeled Slides Toolbox will show up on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Within the sidebar, locate the Text Tools section and select it. This is where you'll find all the options you need for formatting text effectively. To apply the highlight across all your slides, it's crucial to first select them. Over on the left-hand panel, you'll see thumbnails of all your slides. Press Ctrl+A or Command+A if you're on a Mac to select all the slides at once. This ensures any changes you make will reflect throughout your entire presentation. Now, in the Text Tools section, you'll notice a range of text formatting tools. Look for the Highlight Color selector, often represented by a pen or highlighter icon. Click on this icon and a color palette will pop up. Here, you can scroll through and choose your preferred highlight color. Once you've selected the color you want to work with, go ahead and click on the pen or highlighter icon once more. This action will apply your chosen highlight color to all the text across your selected slides, giving your presentation a consistent and vibrant look. And there you have it. You've successfully used the Slides Toolbox add-on to highlight text across your Google Slides. With this tool, customizing and enhancing your presentations has never been easier. Thank you for watching, and happy highlighting.